Astig!
Kailangan ng machismis, oh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ding, 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 ding. Happy birthday to you. Go, go, go. Wish, wish, wish.
Yay!
Sinaratuhan. Ngayon, Diyos, ikaw ang babae. Wow!
Bakit ganon? Oh, siya.
Kiss? Wala bang kiss dyan?
Kising babae, kising babae.
Kiss?
Wala smack, smack, Josh.
Hindi, lagyan na yung bubo.
Jetzt 18, du hast bald den Führerschein. Viel Glück, bleib gesund und sei nicht so dumm.
Das kann ich sagen. Bald fetzen wir Autobahn mit Führerschein.
Yeah.
Sag happy birthday to Uncle Josh.
It's like happy birthday. No? Later. It's happy birthday. No, das.
Birthday, Josh. Du bist jetzt grown-ass man. Und ja, bald Führerschein.
Du bist jetzt 18. Sei dumm, Bruder. Sei dumm.
Go.
Happy birthday, Josh. We love you so much.
Liebe dich.
Und bleibst so wie du bist. Und du weißt, du kannst mich immer, uns immer
Wir sind
anrufen,
immer da für dich.
wenn du uns brauchst. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
We love you.
Baka ikaw ulit next year.
Happy birthday, Josh. I wish you a happy birthday.
Si Chuka Hamida. Happy birthday, Josh.
Alles Gute, Josh.
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Josh. Enjoy your day.
Hey Josh, I just want to say happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day, man. Peace.
Happy birthday, Josh. More birthdays to come. And ang wish ko sa'yo ay happy birthday, Josh. More birthdays to come. And ang wish ko ay sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. Nandito lang kami sa likod mo, always to support you. At lagi kang gabayan. Sana ay gumaling ka pa sa iyong volleyball career. At alam ko, gagaling ka pa. And mag-grow. At sana wag kang magsasawang makinig at matuto sa lahat ng itinuturo ko sa iyo. Lalong-lalo na sa volleyball. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. And your Kennedy Batas, or Kennedy Gatas as you always say, is always here for you. Happy birthday.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday, Josh. Naway maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at mapuno ka ng pagpapala ng Panginoong Hesukristo at magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings sa buhay mo. God bless.
Josh, alles Gute. Love you,
Hi Josh, happy birthday, we love you. Bleib so wie du bist, wir haben dich ganz so lieb.
Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ikaw ay nawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata.
vlog. Just like, subscribe, and like.